Okay, here we go again. It's my fourth attempt to record this video. Fourth, fourth, as you can see. The point from the last video. I'm a major screw up, a failure, if you may. Yes, do you think your honor is a failure? Of course you are. Of course you are. Okay, so let's do this without any more, well, hopefully without any more problems. As if. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's talk about my hobbies and likes and dislikes or whatever. As you can probably tell from the tone of my voice, I gave up on taking this on taking this seriously. Because well, you can see it from there, but it's night now and I don't live alone, so I have to keep quiet, but my voice is naturally loud, and I will try not to cause any annoyance with my family. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Okay, so I wanted to talk about my hobbies, likes, dislikes, as I said before. I need to keep it. I need to keep it together. No distractions. No distractions, Pixel. You hear me? No distractions. So, well, I guess I don't actually have any notable hobbies, like unusual ones or interesting ones, like exciting stuff, because I'm quite boring person. I have like the most general hobbies out there. Like, I like reading books and playing games. And I guess I can say I used to like watching TV, but now I don't have time for TV. It's sad. It's so very sad. Oh no, I don't have time for TV or desire to watch TV. It's quite depressing now to watch TV. So I just watch silly little videos on YouTube. Like, generally, I like to watch art videos and gaming videos because, of course, gaming, true gamer. Uh, and I guess also, mm, well, no, that's it. Art and games. Also ASMR, it helps me sleep. And I am a very anxious person, so I can't sleep without putting on ASMR videos. So yeah, that's it. About videos. About books, I mostly like reading about detectives, like some interesting story. Interesting, I'm sorry. Sorry for this word. Well, I like reading about mysteries, murder, drama. Oh, well, I guess I also like reading. I like to read fantasy and horror. Of course, horror. Mm, mm, well, hmm. And that's it about books. Also, it's a funny story. I actually have a lot of books. Like a lot of books. So much books it makes my family cons- it they are concerned about it. Yes, because really I have so much books. It's it's kind of scary. Don't ask. Uh, okay, and that's it for books and games. Yes, I like playing games. What else? Well, I like to play different kinds of games, I guess. Well, not so much shooters, but I do like RPGs. Mm, but we need to specify what type of RPGs it is. Like, I guess you could call a Skyrim RPG, role playing games, whatever. You make your character, you do stuff with your character. I- Is it RPG? Is Skyrim an RPG? Am I a confused person? Okay, but mostly I guess the type of game that I play the most is visual novels nowadays because well you you get a story, you get visuals, and the only thing you have to do is pick options. It's as easy as that. So yeah, I vastly recommend the site itch.io for free visual novels. Uh, so yeah, this is a spot for recommendations, I guess. Shameless plug. Lol. No one is sponsoring me. No one will ever sponsor me, and I don't really want to be sponsored. uh, I do it out of obligations. Obligation, and well, you don't know me, but you have to know about me some things, and one of these things is I hate obligations. I hate being pressured. I hate being stressed, but I have to be stressed sometimes. Like now, I'm stressed, as you can probably hear from my voice. But we need to keep the show running. Yes? Yes. So that I guess was my hobbies. But well. Also notably, I used to I used to like drawing. I still really appreciate art, but I think I gave up on myself a long time ago. So sad. I'm such a failure. I'm such a failure. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, I'm getting distracted because I'm tired and it's night and I want to sleep. But we have to do this. If I have to suffer, you will have to suffer through my ramblings. I am evil. It's my evil scheme. I will distract you with my rambles about how much of a failure I am. Okay, but really, let's keep it on the track. Well, I guess I mostly finished about my hobbies, but I do have some notable things I wanted well, to put in the spotlight. I'm sorry if I use some strange words. When I'm tired, I'm forgetting my vocabulary. Lol. Okay, so I wanted to talk about my hmm. What do I wanted to talk? What did I want? What did I want to talk about? That is the question. That is the question. Well, as you can see, I vastly enjoy playing with my cat. It relaxes me, and we can draw a conclusion that I like animals. So yeah. I also like to watch silly animal videos, but who doesn't? Really, who doesn't? So that's it. Oh, well, it was addition to the video stuff. Oh, oh God, I'm such a failure. I am so sorry. Mm, well, well, at least I'm sorry about it. It is a redeeming quality. To recognize your flaws and to take responsibility for them. Well, and apologizing is good. Apologizing is very, very nice. So, yeah, let's do this. Well, let's continue it because we're already doing it. We're already suffering for us. We're already suffering this. Uh, as you can probably guess, I am not planning to do a fifth attempt. That would be too sad, and I'm too tired to do it again. And I don't want to do it tomorrow. So it needs to be now or never. So yeah, let's do it before someone will wake up and go to murder me. It was a joke. Yes, I like to joke about morbid matters like murder, mm, and well, I actually don't like to joke about it so much. Mostly, I like to joke about murder of me because me I can control. So yeah, I'm not planning on murdering anyone. I just think it's fun to. I just find it funny to think that someone would like to kill me because really, who gives who gives a shit about me? Who wants to kill me because I'm interested? Because really, I'm really interested about it. Interest Interested to find out. Like, really, it's kind of funny to have paranoia in this age when you really aren't much to begin with. So really, who would want to kill you? Oh, I am so sorry. Uh, I did say that I'm a boring person, but I actually a boring person with a weird, wired mind. I think about weird stuff. So yeah, that's a interesting fact about me. So really, well, yes, I wanted to talk about also my likes and dislikes. Cat, don't leave me. Don't leave me all alone. Cat, cat, return. Pixie, return. I can't do this without you. Drama, tragedy, tragedy. I'm so sorry. Okay, come here, come here. Don't leave me. Don't leave me all alone. But really, we need to wrap it up before he will leave me all alone to deal with this. So yeah, let's keep it snappy. Like I like sweets, mostly chocolate, and caramels, and candy, and gums. Really, sweets are nice. But really, who doesn't like sweets? Who doesn't like food? Who doesn't like to keep alive by by being sustained by food? Really, we all love ourselves and we want to eat good food. In my case, I mostly like sweets. Okay, and I also like spicy food. Spicy. I like spice. Spice is life. So yeah. Also, my family is vastly concerned about my salt intake. I do like salty food. What can I say about it? Except you're welcome. I am so sorry. This is an old reference. Oh god. I am so old. I'm too old for this shit. But really, food. Food is nice. Food is life. And Hmm. What else I like? What else is not to like? Like music. I like music. I had a funny story I wanted to tell, but it would be too long, and I don't want to make it like an hour long ramble video. So really, you don't have time, I don't have time, Pixel doesn't have time for this shit. So really, let's let's try to wrap it up with dislikes. What do I dislike? Oh my god. Well, I dislike stuff that makes me nervous, like like homework. But who doesn't? But who does like homework? Okay, but we need to do this. We need to do this. Also, I hate stress. I don't want to be stressed. But the thing is, I'm always stressed, so. Well, it's sad. It's just sad. Okay, in conclusion. Oh, you returned. In conclusion, life is hard. Life is nice. It has nice things. It's hard, but it has nice things that are worth to live for. Uh, and that's wholesome. Yeah. Sometimes life is like a piece of string. You let the big black cat play with it, and you let go. I am so sorry. That was my profound quote of the day. And bye.